Hi guys, long time no see. I keep working on my underwater strut. So the complete waterproofed motor system, and for the stand-up handleboard, surfboard, and the foil board as well. So this is a fin mount, uh, waterproof motor. Basically, any kind of fin you have, you can just slide it in and put two hole on your fin, and then you can tie them up. It's very simple. The majorly will be for the stand-up handleboard, but for whatever the boat you have, I mean the paddleboard and kayak, even canoe, whatever you have fin, there you can actually mount on the motor, so that be more convenience. So I have two sides of the motor. One is 1500 watt, one is 2000 watt. When I talk about the power of the motor, I gave you the actually continual power the motor can generate. Whenever you're shopping for the motor, they may mark like a 6000 watt, but that's kind of really a tiny pink performance of that motor. It won't last like maybe 2 seconds or something. So this is what I say. This is a 1500 watt. It's continual power for 1500 watt. So that's the difference. So I will tell you that actually the motor, the power, not the in the serial the motor of the power. So the 1500 watt motor, you can get like a 5 mile power for your regular stand-up handleboard. And if you have a really high performance board, I think you can get like a 7 mile power or something. Like a old Windsor board, like 200-liter Windsor board, some really old style. They have really narrow or really long board. So that kind of board, actually, if you put this little motor in there, you can actually make that board alive again. So that's the story. But for the basically any paddle board, you can easily mount this on, and for 5 mile power, I mean, it's still comfortable, but it's still kind of a bit fast. I mean, think about you just on a tiny board, and for 5 mile power, it's actually pretty fast. Because we're a regular paddling speed like probably around 3 mile power. So that's where regular paddle speed. I mean, for the recreational, not for some people for the racing. I mean, that definitely different stuff, different story. So I actually built a little motor hook up on the stand-up handleboard. So that 2 liter motor can get a 3 mile power on the water. So that's really comfortable, just like your regular paddle. And use this 1500 watt motor. For regular boat, you can get 5 mile power, and you definitely will feel pretty fast. Yeah, pretty fast on the water. And you probably won't go out every perfect glass water. Usually they have little wind, and then the water have little troughs. And for the 5 mile per hour on the water, you definitely feel the bumpy stuff. So that's yeah, I think the 5 mile per hour for the regular stand-up paddleboard is already pretty fast. And for the 2000-watt motor, you can see the propeller is much bigger. So for the 2000-watt motor, you're gonna get like a 8 mile per hour speed. That's definitely fast. Like I say, if you have kind of old Windsor board and you can give it a life again, and you put this like a 2000 watts, and they can probably reach like a 10 mile per hour on the water. So that definitely feel like a windsurfing again. And the system, the battery I'm going to use is 24-volt battery. Basically, you can use the 12-volt battery, and it's just getting slower, right? You can simply just link to a 12-volt battery to get 24-volt, and they give you a higher performance on the water. So instead of dedicated battery for those, because the battery is expensive stuff. So if you can use the battery you already have, that'll be really save you money. And the option is there's a longer wire, and then you can connect the batteries. I have my connector because I also built the waterproof battery box. So this is the water sealed battery box that I made with my connector right here. So you can just plug in right here, and this waterproof box, you can put this 6 size 10 amp hour battery, 3 of them put in there. So that gave you like 30 minutes something. I mean, for the full throttle. If you put the 3 batteries inside and then just connect here. So that's another option. It's another better options. You can just simply, like I said, use a 12-volt car battery, and to get a better performance, just link to 12-volt batteries to get 24-volt. Very simple. And with a different fin for the mounting part. So basically, there's 2 holes. You put the fin in and measure the distance, make this equal horizontal link, and then you're going to draw 2 holes on your fin, and then you use a screw tie the fin inside. So the fin just slide in, draw 2 holes, tie them up. And right here, this is a propeller guard. It's kind of depend on your motor location. You may need to bend this a little bit to fit it better. The reason you want to put the motor location is actually as low as as low as possible. So this is the bottom. You still want the fin to touch the bottom in the shallow water, so you don't want to touch the motor right here for the shallow water. So right here you can see this is pretty much lowest point you want to mount your motor, and then right here you can need to bend this little bit. But it's, like I said, it's pretty easy to set up those, and everything is connect with wire. So it's always wire. You connect the battery with the power, and have wired throttle. You basically put the throttle in your hand, and you just control the speed right here. And this is like a kill switch. So if you fall in the water, so this is on your hand, and you disconnect from the board, and the board will be stopped running. And once you climb back on the board, you just dump out the water and reconnect them together. Yeah, that's it. Very simple. And I showed those on another video already. So with wired throttle, I mean, you see there are some wires, but it's actually much more convenient. Think about if it's a wireless throttle. By any accident you drop in the water, they'll be gone. You need to get another throttle. And also for the wireless throttle, you have to make sure you charge the battery every time. So for the wireless, I mean, there's just link them together. So that's for the wireless throttle, it's much simple, much easier to operate compared to wireless throttle. And the motor part, so this is the all-runner motor. I mean, waterproof the all-runner motor. If you don't know how to waterproof those, I have a video for those, how to waterproof the all-runner motor. I'll list there, you can check it out. So generally speaking, the all-runner motor is it's more lightweight, because the in-runner motors, everything is in the house, sealed house. So the all-runner motor is a little bit lightweight, better efficiency in the water. So that's compared the all-runner to in-runner. But of course, the all-runner motor is still, everything is open. So basically, it won't last long in the salt water for sure. So, because every time the salt water gets inside, you will eat something inside, So the all-runner motor definitely not good for the salt water. It won't survive for long in the salt water. So if you actually need the motor for the salt water, I can change those for the in-runner motor as well. That's more seal for the salt water. But like I said, in-runner motor is more expensive, a little bit higher weight, least performance compared to the all-runner motor. All-runner motor if it's the same size. For any kind of fin you have, this one kind of inflatable paddleboard fin, and this is kind of standard US box fin. So most non-inflatable paddleboard will be used that kind of fin, and the inflatable paddleboard will be used that kind of fin. But like I say, you just need to draw 2 holes on your fin, and it's very simple to install. So my idea is I want to get stuff done with easy installation and more affordable for everybody. So um, yeah, that's my idea. And so this year I'm going to finish all my water sport stuff. Like this is for the stand-up handleboard, and also gonna finish my electric foil board. The add-on motor stuff. There'll be add-on any kind of foil board you have, and put on the motor and use like a electric foil board. Yeah, make it more usable and more affordable for everybody. That's my idea. We'll see you next time.